Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1966 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III BJ-8 sports convertible. It's a late phase 2 model. Spectacular car, on consignment, brilliant cosmetics all the way around. This is a factory British Racing green tan, but along the way it received a biscuit interior, which is actually just really easy on the eyes here. Just beautiful, beautiful leather trimmed interior with dark green matching carpets, beige cloth soft top, and tonneau cover, 4-speed overdrive, expensive Michelin XAS tires. This is a very impressive car. If you're in the market for an absolutely beautifully restored phase 2 convertible in really lovely colors, look no further. Have a read through the description. We've got lots of paperwork on this car regarding the restoration dates and what was done. So we're going to chronicle all that in the description. But as you can see here, wonderfully restored car with just perfect cosmetics, perfect paint, chrome, rubber, interior, soft top, you know, no stone left unturned, perfect gaps all the way around, just a stunner. We've been driving this around the shop here, just in and out, and it just purrs beautifully. It's really quiet, runs great. Check that. Check our videos for the road video that we're performing shortly. But yeah, you could take a very close, hard look at this car, and it just presents incredibly well. I don't think I've seen a paint flaw or blemish anywhere on it. So like I was saying, perfect chrome, lenses, rubber, the fitting of the car, the fitting of all the gaps in the chrome work. Just spectacular example. Brand new windshield. I mean, just for example, look at the chrome work and paint work up close here. Just perfect, perfect paint, chrome, glass, rubber. Beautiful, beautiful car. Fitted with those super expensive wheel and tire set. Dayton wheels with XAS Michelins. Nice touch they did with this car is they trim coated the trunk, which gives it a very nice, you know, airy white glove appearance. Early Healeys had color coded trunks to the trim, and they painstakingly went through the effort to do that here, which is really a nice touch. We'll get to the interior in a minute, but yeah, let me show you this impressive engine compartment. It's a beautifully finished engine compartment, correct decals, really nice condition. Engine tag, body tag, VIN plate. Great fitting hood, shuts nicely. So interior wise, they chose to deviate from the black interior and go with a very attractive tan. So as you can see here, perfect door panels, perfect wood dash, upgraded wood alloy wheel, beautifully leather trimmed seats, just almost absolutely unmarked. You can see here, just fantastic condition throughout. And so tan with green piping, with matching dark green wool carpets, but the overall look is just beautiful compared to a green with a black interior car. So super handsome interior trim. Do a final walk around here. This is just a stunner of a car. Look at the undercarriage photos. Check out our driving video and have a really good look at all the images that we posted for this one, because it really is just a perfect turnkey, off you go, absolutely fully restored, beautiful 1966 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III BJ-8 sports convertible, finished in this ultra attractive and desirable color scheme of British racing green, tan interior, 4-speed, overdrive, stainless wire wheels, Michelin XAS tires, wood alloy steering wheel, cloth beige tan top with matching tonneau cover. But just a stunner throughout, and it's for sale right now. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.